first time I took the book from the Jerzy Kosinski in my hands and I read first 3 pages, I simply felt, oh my God, that's a story. And I didn't read the book, just only 3 pages. You know, and finally when I read the book, you know, I was just only being assured that it's really what I'm really looking for. Not because I would like to speculate because it is a controversial book and this. No, this book is wonderful and great because it's opened my mind, it's opened my heart and brought me so many questions but no responses. And I like it.
Václav has been working 15 years to get this film made, and it is practically unfinanceable, this project. And getting it done, coming out so well, and becoming such a masterpiece, it's for him, it must be fantastic. And I was contacted 10 years ago, so I've been hoping for this film to happen for 10 years, and it makes me very, very happy. This film is so true to humanity, so there are not really just bad guys and good guys in it. Even my character could at another point make a decision that was different and that was more cruel. But the complexity of humanity is displayed in this film, even if you see a lot of the darkness. But you see also one of the worst, to me, one of the most brutal scenes in this film is not between interaction between human beings, it's between birds. And that is shockingly brutal, that scene. But it also, of course, reflects on the humans, because we are like them, very much animals.